Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete Google Drive photos in bulk. You get it right. Before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. So what you want to do, you want to go to your drive. Once you go to Google Drive, you want to find where you have those photos stored. So let's say in my case, I have them stored into this photo tool. So I'm going to open up this photo tools and I have a bunch of photos here. Now, in order to delete these photos in bulk, you can do it two ways, right? I can either choose to delete the entire folder by simply clicking on the photo and click and delete. Here it is, move it to trash, or I can open up that folder and I can select one, then press Ctrl A on my keyboard, and then I can simply hit and delete, and it's going to move these to trash and it will delete those photos. And that's it. That's how to delete Google Drive photos in bulk. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.